I've been wearing it around the house a lot. Look, I haven't even put my, I haven't even sewn my end in. I don't even care. I just wear it around the house. Hi everybody, it is Monique with Oak Knob Makes, and I am here today to do an actual unboxing. I know I kind of teased you guys with that one with those mini skeins for the Sheep G's. I think that's how you say it, Sheep G's. Katona mini skeins. Anyways, that was hysterical. I have had a couple of yarn purchases in the past couple of weeks, or I put in an order at Hobbii out of Denmark, and this isn't sponsored by anybody. I bought all this yarn, but they had a great sale, and I had been looking for a particular yarn that had red in it for my girlfriend's son. I had made her a shawl, and he curls up in it on the couch quite frequently, so I wanted to make him something of his own that he can snuggle with on the couch, and his favorite color is red. I had been keeping my eye out, and they had a fantastic sale, and so I decided I would just order it from there because it was about $1.45 a skein. There were some other yarns on sale that I wanted to also get just so that I would have. Some of the yarns that I ordered, I've never ordered before, so I'm not sure what they're going to be like, and I guess we'll discover it together. Let's see, I ordered this on the 6th from Denmark. It got to the US by the 8th. And USPS has had it since then, and then they misdelivered it today, and I called them, and our local carrier went and found wherever it was he had dropped them off, picked them back up, and brought them back to me. So I'm glad that that worked out, because I would have been really upset had this not worked out, because I really need that yarn. I have purchased from them before. I like their Twister and their Twister Deluxe yarn. We're going to unbox, or in other words, unbag, because this is how it came. This is it. That and a second smaller bag. So we'll do our unbagging. How's that sound? These are, I'm in my craft room. These scissors that I'm using, these are not my fabric scissors, everybody. Don't ever use fabric scissors to open anything, ever. Okay, so what's in this bag? Oh, look at this. This is huge. It is Mega Ball. I don't know if that's going to be backwards for you guys, but anyways, it's called Mega Ball. It is 100% acrylic. It's 400 grams, 1,300 yards in this one skein. It is, it says it's a light 3-weight, and I would say that seems pretty accurate. Let's see here. See? Seems pretty accurate. And 4 to 4.5 millimeter knitting needles and 4 to 5 millimeter crochet hooks. Let's see. And this color is just it's like a gray. It says color 425, but it's just obviously a gray. It's kind of soft. It's not like super soft, but it's also not scratchy at all. I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to make a scarf or a hat or anything that would be near my skin out of this. It's pretty nice. So again, that is the Mega Ball. Mega. So that's exciting. It's a lot of yarn in one skein. And I don't think it was terribly expensive. Don't you love it when they give you a packing slip that doesn't have the prices on it when you want the prices? It's always something, you know? Okay, this is Twister. Look at how pretty that is. I got this because I want to make my nieces, Charlotte and Ryan, who I made the hats for, I'd like to make them little matching ponchos, but not matching patterns, not matching colors, because they have different favorite colors. But there's enough in this one skein, or cake, I'm sorry, to do a poncho for each of them. It's not scratchy in any way, because this is a fine 2, it says. That's probably pretty accurate. I mean, it's not, it's pretty fine. So it's not super heavy and bulky at all. It has a nice drape, I think. It has 1,093 yards in this cake, which is 250 grams 8.81 ounces. If you are using knitting needles, it is 3 to 4 millimeter, and crochet hook, it suggests 3.5 to 4 millimeter. Looks like you can wash it cold, no dry. You must have to lay it flat. I think I want to say it's like normally like $15 or something, and but it's almost always on sale. Almost always. And if it's not on sale this month, it'll be on sale next month. But there's tons of options and colors, and they're beautiful, really beautiful combinations of colors. This is also Twister, but it's Twister Solid. They basically offer it in colors that would match any of their twisters like this. So I think it's one of those things where if you run out, you need a little bit, these are really handy. This has 3.5 ounces. It's 437 yards. The same size knitting needles and crochet hooks. It is the number 2. It's color 129. So it's like a light blue. It's really quite pretty. It's not showing up perfectly, but if you go on their website and you're curious, it's color 129. It's very pretty. This is less expensive. The other great thing about these is that they give you a little sticker on the center pole, so you can almost always find it really easily and get your knit on or your crochet on even faster. And there's never any yarn vomit, which is great. I have never gotten these from them before, and these are called Rainbow 8-4. So it has something to do with the size. It is 100% cotton, natural cotton. There it is. It is not a center pull, as you can see, because the sticker is on the outside. This is 1.76 ounces or 50 grams, 186 yards. It is a 2 fine. It's actually a little bit larger than the Twister. You know what? Maybe Mega Ball over here. Megatron. Maybe Mega Ball is more like a 4 light. It says it's 2. It's a lightweight cotton. I have 3 colors of this. It's color 70, color 62, and color 53. So it is a blue. Oh, and this uses 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and the same for knitting needles. Blue, I got a pink, and I got a pale yellow. I have a hard time with yellow. I don't know about anybody else, but yellow is one of those colors that can so easily just be garish, I feel. So it's very difficult. So when I see a soft yellow, I generally like to give it a try, especially if it's something small. Now these were $1.50 each. That's all that's in this bag. Oh, with the exception, they always send hard candy. Let's see what's in the next bag. Ooh, we have another Mega Ball. This one's white. I just liked these 2 colors. All I can see is the reflection of that thing in my glasses. That drives me nuts. I'm sorry if it drives you nuts too. I could just take my glasses off, I suppose, you know. All right. Oh, I took my glasses off. Maybe that'll be better. Now I just look tired. Well, this is how I look, guys. I look tired because I'm a middle-aged woman and I am tired. So this is gray and white. I thought they were really nice together. It was a very clean looking combination in my head. So this is all the same information as this one. It just is white. So between these 2 balls, I have 2,600 yards of yarn. You can get something nice done with that. Oh, they gave me this is a free gift, a large eye needle, blunt tip. So that's nice. Oh, I got another 2 rainbow, a green and a purple. This green looks way more intense on the camera than it does in real life. It's kind of a pale pastel, like spring grass green, but not spring grass, more like, oh, spring grass. This I got because I like Red Heart Unforgettable yarn, and something about the colors on this, isn't that gorgeous? Reminded me of it. This is called Tonga, and it's by Mayflower DK. It's 80% acrylic, 10% wool, 10% alpaca. It's not, I mean, it's okay. It's not like super soft. I think that any softness you would get from the alpaca is kind of contraindicated by the wool. But it's not uncomfortable. Like I would probably not hesitate to make some a hat or a scarf or something, maybe a cowl out of this. This is color 7. I don't know. 100 grams or 450 meters. It says it's a 3 knitting needle, and it doesn't tell us what anything on the crochet hook. It is a wash. Looks like, no. I'll have to look this up to see if that's a wash. It looks like maybe really cold, but I would assume that it would have to be hand washed. I don't know, because the wool, you know, you don't really normally wash wool. Newbie, still trying to figure it all out with the washing stuff. But look at how beautiful the colors on this are. I just thought that was stunning. So there's not a, you know, a ton here. I don't think I could make like a shawl or anything, but I could certainly probably make a cowl or a nice scarf. Oh, Tonga. What else? Oh, okay. So this is the yarn that I got for my girlfriend's son. His favorite color is red, and I just thought this was nice. This is called Multicolor Number 1. There, you know, by Lammy Yarns. Lammy. Color 902. It is 50 grams, 150 meters, 100% acrylic. It's not like scratchy, but it doesn't feel particularly soft either. It feels kind of like cotton, but a little bit less soft. I'm betting that this would probably soften up in the wash. That's what I'm going to bet. And it can be washed. It doesn't say anything about drying. Knitting needles 3.5 to 4. It doesn't tell you what size crochet. So I guess, you know, whatever you need to use to get gauge. So I got 6 of those to make him some sort of something that he can cuddle up with on the sofa, so that he'll stop stealing his mom's shawl because she wants to use it, you know. So he's a sweet kid. Anyways, so I got those, and then this I got for myself. I normally buy yarn with other people in mind, really. The only yarn I buy with myself in mind most of the time is Red Hot Unforgettable, and now perhaps Karen Latte Cakes, because those things are the softest things I've ever felt in my life. They're fabulous. If you haven't felt one, check them out. This, however, might rival it, but it came undone, so I'm going to try to... my gosh, what just happened? Okay. This. Can you see? Yeah. This is called Aurora. It's 50% mohair, 50% acrylic. Color 3. This is 50 grams, so it's about 98 yards, it says. It's 1.76 ounces. Knitting needles, you'd use a 6 to 7 millimeter. Designed in Scandinavia, made with love in Italy. I don't believe you can wash this. I got 2 of these because this looked just like something that would look amazing on me up near my eyes because it's pretty blue. So I was thinking I would make myself maybe a cowl or some sort of really fuzzy hat. It's a thin yarn, like you can see. But it's very fuzzy. And I am betting that this would be an absolute nightmare to frog. So I'll be making sure that whatever I start making with it is what I want out of it, because I could see this very easily getting wrapped up in itself. Everything that was in these bags was on sale. The most expensive was the Aurora, which I figured, and I think even at that I paid maybe $5 for each ball of it, each skein. These were $1.50 each, or $1.49, $1.45. This was only a couple dollars because it was on sale. And the mega balls, I want to say the mega balls were like $9 or something, but for 1,300 yards of yarn, I think that's a pretty good deal. So that's what I got from Hobbii. I like Hobbii. This is probably my 4th or 5th order from them. I have a lot of other yarn that I had ordered from them, and very similar to the twisters. I had bought a bunch of twisters, and they also have one called Cotton Kings that it's more like the really fine, like fingering weight or lace weight. And it's just like 3 pieces of thread. It's not twisted. It's just, you know, flat. Maybe at some point I'll show you guys the yarn I have. If that's something that interests you, let me know in the comments below if you're interested to see. I don't keep my yarn out because I don't have good storage for it, and the cats would probably destroy it. So I keep them all in buckets and boxes underneath my fabric cutting table. And then when I need it, I go into there. It's not very convenient, honestly, but what are you going to do? So if you guys want to see that someday, let me know. I'll take them all out and show you what I have. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me for this unboxing / unbagging from Hobbii or Hobbii out of Denmark. I would highly encourage anybody to give them a go. I have had great service from them, and I've appreciated the quality of the yarns that I've received from them. And they offer great sales. If you sign up for their newsletter, they will email you all the information you could ever need. People know. And they have sales running constantly. So you can generally find a good deal if you're looking for something. All of these things were on sale, and I'm pleased with all of them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, suggestions, leave them for me below. If you think that you would enjoy work in progress videos, pattern and yarn reviews, if you'd like continued unboxing videos, let me know that in the comments below as well, because that's always helpful. I look forward to being creative with you the next time we meet. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.